To glitter or not to glitter? That's a question when you have hooded eyes and you want to sparkle and shine, but you don't know how because your hood's covering up everything. So there you go, that's a solution. Interested? Let's watch. Hi guys, I really hope you're having a great day. I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. In this video, we're gonna be creating a makeup look. Ta-da! Surprise, surprise. I was thinking, as this is Christmas season, holiday season, sprinkles and glitter and all, and if you, like me, have hooded eyes, you might find it a little bit tricky to wear glitter. So I came up with this super easy makeup look that is super suitable for hooded eyes and all the eye shapes in general. So without any further ado, let's start our makeup look. By the way, did I mention that this is gonna be a super easy makeup look to recreate? So if you're not really experienced or you find it tricky to apply a makeup, this is a makeup look for you. Honestly, this is gonna be super easy and quick. So next thing I'm doing, I'm setting this in quickly, so I'm using the NYX HD finishing powder. So for this look, I decided to go with Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. So I'm starting with this color in here and gonna go higher than my crease is, concentrating more on the outer corners, keeping my eyes open so I see exactly where my crease is. So I'm starting from the outer corner and then what's left on the brush I'm dragging to the inner eye corner. I'm using the same brush and I'm gonna go with this beige color in here. And concentrate at first on the outer corners and then drag what's left to the inner eye corner once again on the crease part. I'm taking a tiny bit of this brown color and I'm just gonna concentrate on the outer corners. And taking a clean brush and just blend everything. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this light color and gonna go all over my mobile lid. So I'm just using my finger. Once again, taking a big fluffy brush and blending this. So for my eyeliner today, I'm gonna use the Renaissance Flick by Makeup Revolution. This one is super easy to use as this is a pen. I always do it with eyes open as I have hooded eyes. So we're gonna go for a bit oversized one, the longer one on the outer corner. Alright, so the eyeliner is on. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of this darker brown color and apply a little bit more of it to the outer corner. So basically there's no empty gap in here. So for lower lash line, we're gonna use this orange color and basically go all over lower lash line. Don't be scared to go a little bit too much as we're gonna be applying foundation later, so we're gonna clean up the excess. I'm gonna highlight the inner eye corner and for that I'm gonna use a Makeup Revolution Crushed Pearl Pigment in Saint. Tiny bit under the brow bone. And then for our glitter part, because we're gonna do the glitter on the lower lash line, I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution, the glitter eyeshadow palette. So prior to that, we're gonna take a little bit of a glitter glue. I'm taking one by the NYX. Apply it on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna be mixing these two colors, Magnificent and Luxe, in one. So I'm gonna go with the Magnificent, the lighter, closer to the inner eye corner and closer to the lash line. Then I'm taking the Luxe, the more golden color, and go more on the outer corner. And then taking back the eyeliner, one by Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick, and concentrate on the inner eye corner. Draw the line a bit down. So we separate that highlighter and the glitter part. And the last step for eye makeup is a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. I got the lash extensions, as you probably noticed, so I'm not applying anything on my top lashes. So if you don't have lash extensions like I do, you can go over the mascara or with the false lashes. I personally would go with false lashes for this look. But as I mentioned, I have lash extensions, so I don't really need that. So for the lower lashes, I'm just gonna go with NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And the eye and makeup look is done. Now I just need to do a face and lips, and that's it. Alright, let's carry on with a face makeup. I'm gonna prep my face by using Multi-Peptide Serum by Makeup Revolution. I actually did a review on this, and it's on my channel if you haven't seen it. And I've been using this now for a month, I would say so. And I absolutely love it, guys, honestly. I don't know why I just found out serums and oils, because I got quite a few from Makeup Revolution, and so far, so good. As my primer, today I'm gonna go with NYX Pore Filler, as my pores are super enlarged and I really need things like this. So today for my foundation, I'm gonna go with NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in color Medium Olive. So using Fast Base Concealer by Makeup Revolution to highlight under the eyes and give a little bit more definition to my face. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set all this up using NYX HD finishing powder. So while the setting powder is working its magic, we're gonna do the lips and then we're gonna do contour and all, because now my face looks a little bit white. We're gonna contour, we're gonna fix this. It's all good, guys, it's all under control. So for the lips, I'm gonna go with NYX Lip Lingerie in a ruffle trim, as I thought kind of nudish lipstick will match with this eyes, although red one would go nice together as well, I think. Yeah, I think this lipstick works perfectly here. Maybe a little bit of a glitter, what do you guys think? A little bit sparkle on the lips as it's a party make look. I think why not? Let's add a little bit of a NYX Sprinkle Down in Confetti Crush, just on the top, just a tiny bit in the middle. This smells like a candy, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, just a tiny bit I think works perfectly. Gives a little bit of a sparkle, but not too much. Okay, let's do contour, blush, and highlighter. So for that, I'm gonna go with my favorite set, which is by Urban Decay, and it's called A Naked Flesh Native. Can you tell I love it so much? I touched already the pan. That's how much I'm possessed I am of this set. That's that, right? Who else loves these little sets when you have like blush, highlighter, and the contouring powder in one? Because I'm obsessed with kind of sets. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching this quick party makeup look. It doesn't necessarily need to be Christmas or New Year party. It can be just party in general. I mean, this makeup look is suitable for all the seasons and all the occasions, I think. What do you think? If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I would honestly appreciate so much if you would press the button to subscribe. Honestly, guys. Thank you. And if you were gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures as I would love to see those. I'm planning to film at least one more party makeup look that involves a glitter and is suitable for hooded eyes, as I do have hooded eyes, so obviously all the makeup looks that I create is suitable for hooded eyes. So another makeup look that involves glitter. This time next time, gonna be a little bit more glitter than just on the lower lash line. I'm telling you. So it's gonna be coming up on my channel soon, or it's already on it, depends when you're watching it. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Ciao, ciao.